Pakistan is an agrarian economy. However, we are still using outdated farming techniques resulting in low farm produce. We are the sixth most populous country in the world with over 200 million people. The numbers are expected to increase manifold in the coming decades. Agriculture accounts for 24% of Pakistan's GDP, and it provides employment to 50% of our labor force. And more than 60% of the country's population living in rural areas are associated with it. Despite all the efforts, 22% of our population is still undernourished. This leads to a greater role fertilizer can play to improve the agricultural produce. Out of total land in Pakistan, we currently use only 38% for cultivation, meaning the same amount of land has to feed more and more people. Intensive farming depletes soil nutrients, for which soil must be fertilized to replenish the nutrient value to get the desired results. On the flip side, growing population is putting an additional strain on soil to grow more efficiently. It is proven that use of fertilizer improves yield up to 30%. Urea is the most used fertilizer in Pakistan, with 60% share in the category. DAP is the second most used fertilizer with 24% category share. Current demand of urea stands between 5.5 to 5.8 metric tons annually, which is 1.18% lower than the supply available. How does Engro Fertilizers address this demand? Engro Fertilizers has state-of-the-art manufacturing facility at Daharki. It is one of the 50 largest fertilizer manufacturers of the world, with close to 5 decades of operational excellence as a world-class manufacturer. Enven is the tallest structure in Pakistan and the largest single-train urea plant with 1.3 million tons of production capacity annually. Enven is 23.6% energy efficient as compared to the base plant. It converts 24.6 MMBTUs in comparison to 32.2 MMBTUs. Engro Fertilizers is the most trusted and one of the largest importers of DAP in the country. It has 21% of market share in DAP. Engro Fertilizers has 150 kilotons plant capacity to produce specialty fertilizers, including Engro Zarkhes. It has 40% of the market share of potash and 10% market share of NP products. We have ventured into related businesses to provide end-to-end agri-solutions to farmers. We aim to provide all inputs to farmers, from seeds, pesticides, fertilizers, credit, machinery, and cropping technology. Let's look at how we produce urea. Main input required to produce urea is natural gas. Natural gas is combined with air to produce ammonia. Ammonia is then added with carbon dioxide to produce urea, which is the main output. Key value drivers in the fertilizer category are availability of reasonably priced gas, efficient processing facility, and dealership network to move the products across the country. We distribute 150 kilotons every month throughout our network in Pakistan. Our availability and network across Pakistan makes us the second largest fertilizer manufacturer, with leading share in Sindh of about 52% and second highest share in Punjab with 24% of the fertilizer market share. Engro Corp holds 56.3% of shares in Engro Fertilizers Limited. Engro Fertilizers contributed 74% to Engro Corp's consolidated bottom line in 2017. What are we doing to impact communities? Besides being commercially viable, we are impacting thousands of lives through our Farmer Connect program across Pakistan. We have trained 50,000 plus farmers. We have improved their knowledge and profitability. 15% yield has improved with the usage of 20% less water. This has positively impacted in improving their livelihood.